Shay's patience-based trading. No more gambling, just systematic upgrading. Find the purple line support, that's a discount, kid. Paying all your monthly bills, that's the knowledge I give.
Ladies and gentlemen, let's go over the 10K SEC filing for AITX. AITXD, I guess is what I should call it now. We are seeing the stock continuing to run above 10 cents. It is above the white line. Looks like it might go on a multi-day pump like last time, like the good old days where we have these huge 3, 10, 20x pumps. But that's because the share structure right now is lower. Again, I don't recommend chasing. I do believe that the stock is pumping because they have, don't they, I think they're participating in some kind of conference. Is it ISC West, I believe. So now that the share structure isn't absolutely trash, when buyers show up, it doesn't take much for it to get going. So I'm not surprised about this. I think it is ISC West 2026. Yeah, that starts today, huh? So yeah, that is very interesting actually. You know why this is interesting? This is good information here. So anytime a company, not always, but when a company participates in some kind of conference, some kind of unveiling of new technology, presentation, etc., that gets a lot of new eyeballs. And that can lead to a lot of people piling into the stock. That means volume comes in, which sends the share price up. Because the share structure is really good, like it's better than Sybil's, literally you could fart and it goes up 20%. This is why I said, like, wait for AITX to do the reverse split, and then there will be opportunities to make money. So I'm really liking this. Like, I like this again. This was, I mean, we made a lot of money on it back then when it was just sideways. And we just kept, right? If you guys know my patterns, the pump and dump patterns, right? What was it doing back then in 2023, 2024? Pump, dump, pump, dump, pump, dump, pump, dump, pump. And it always came back down to that support at 24 cents or pre-split. It would be, I think, was it 002s? Yeah, I think it was like 002s. So that's what we're looking for. Don't chase here. I don't think it's going to go to $1. I know people are going to get excited. Oh, it's going to $1. I don't think so. Unless they drop some seriously incredible news at ISC West. The next resistance is going to be 14 cents, 15 cents. So I wouldn't be surprised if it comes up there. Then you got that nice round number of 20 cents. That's going to be a big resistance level. So that's what I would look out for if you're still holding. But I mean, at some point, it's going to come back down and find some support somewhere. That's where we're looking to buy. So that's all I got to say with regards to the technicals. Let's actually look at the 10K and look at how much they're diluting, right? When we look at these form 10Ks, 10Qs, whatever you want to call them, we are looking to see how much are they diluting on average. We are also looking at the financial statements. How are they performing in terms of sales? I have not looked at this in a long time, so I don't know what to expect. I don't really care about assets or liabilities. I want to see. Oh, this is, no, wait, no. This is not gonna include the reverse split. You would have to wait until the next 10Q comes out. I don't remember when AITX has earnings. It's been a long time. What, April? April is when it, well, we'll see if this is true, but it says mid-April is when AITXD has another earnings report to drop. That'll be the one that will be interesting to look into. Okay, so we got the revenues here. The revenues have been... Oh man, I forgot how to read these. It's been such a long time. Is there a better way? Is there AITX? Let me see. AITX Trading View Financials. It does not exist. I guess I have to add AITXD. Or not. It says it doesn't exist. Aitxd. Oops, maybe I'm typing it wrong. See overview. Okay, it doesn't want to work. Fantastic. Alright, so revenues have gone up a little bit. Yeah, that's expected. They're not the kind of company that's going to have a huge growth in revenues unless they get some huge contract from the government. I'd see a huge contract from the government would, it'll send it. With the share structure that it has right now, hell yeah. It looks like they doubled their research and development. Yeah, I don't expect them to be profitable. Revenues, okay, yeah, their revenues are just slowly inching higher. That's about it. Share issuance. What? Okay, so this is the old share outstanding. So this doesn't, yeah, this does not reflect. Yeah, that does not reflect the reverse split. Yeah, they're still going to dilute. That's another thing. They're going to dilute at some point, so I wonder, yeah, when that time comes, the stock price will fall anyways. So. But if I recall correctly, and you can correct, someone can correct me if I'm wrong, but doesn't Aitxd dilute? I don't think they ever diluted at the bottom. Like, I don't think so. At least that yeah, because I mean they dilute. They were I should say they were diluting like 500 million shares on average every month, but they were never diluting at the bottom, if I recall correctly, right? Like, it's, if I recall correctly, the company would deliberately dilute anywhere but at the bottom, because if they diluted at the bottom, it would send the share price tanking under that support. I mean, it held the support here for what, 2 years? 2023, 2024. Yeah, it held it for nearly 2 years. I don't think they diluted heavy down here at support. I think they purposely diluted only when it went up, if I recall correctly. But I could be wrong. I just don't remember. It's been a long time. But I know companies that dilute right at the bottom, right at a big support level, and the stock just absolutely tanks, which is not what you want, right? You don't want to deal with that. You don't want to deal with a company that's going to dilute. Like they have the opportunity to dilute right now as the stock is pumping, but they choose to dilute right at support. It's just going to tank. We don't want that. So hopefully that's not the case. I mean, if I recall correctly, I don't think they do that. I think they purposely I think they have someone keeping an eye on the charts. If they dilute, it's going to be on the way up. That's what I would expect. Which I'm sure, and then the selling pressure on top of that should send it down. I wouldn't be surprised if Aitxd goes to 20 cents. It wouldn't shock me one bit. Let me look at the volume. But I'm not going to jump in. We got the discipline now. We've been doing this for years. We know not to chase. There's plenty of other opportunities that are cheap right now. The volume has been increasing. 9 million, 8 million, 4 million, yeah. 3.88 million. Yeah, people have been asking me, should I jump in? And I'm like, yeah, go ahead and chase. It's probably going to get a top soon if people are asking me if it's time to chase. And I'm like, get the hell out of here. You can go ahead and chase, but that's not what we're about. It'll come down, guys. Relax. They would have to, I mean, unless they come out with some huge presentation at ISC West or something. Some big contract or something. I don't expect it to go beyond 20 cents. I'm giving it the benefit of the doubt here and assuming it's going to go to 20 cents at least. It has the share structure to do that now. Alright guys, I'll leave it at that. Again, I'm very bullish on this. A lot of money to be made on the pump and dumps. It's a penny stock. We all know that penny stocks do what? They pump and they dump. That's all they are. That's all they have been. That's all they ever will be. That's why they have to get out of the OTC, go to NASDAQ to potentially start behaving like the markets, meaning it goes up and down with the SPY. That is ideal. Alright guys, I'll leave it at that. Hope you enjoyed this video. I will see you in the next one.
Shades, patience, trading, yo, the method is divine. Paying all my bills off on the market's own dime. No chasing hot stocks, no flipping like a bunny. Just discipline, execution for the steady money. Peep the purple line, that's the magnet for the buying. Bottoms buying strategy, no more long-term crying.